I'm Diane. Today, you guys are going to learn everything you need to know about Unit 10, which is acids, bases, and equilibria. First, we're going to start off by defining what an acid and a base is. Okay, so we'll start off first with the acid. First of all, the acids have a very sour taste because their pH is less than 7. They turn blue litmus paper red. They react with certain metals to produce hydrogen atoms. They react with carbonates and bicarbonates to produce carbon dioxide. They corrode metals, they're electrolytes, and they react with bases to form salts in water. Now, moving on to the bases, those are very bitter and chalky. They're also electrolytes. They feel very soapy and slippery, and they react with acids to form salt and water. Their pH is greater than 7, and they turn red litmus paper blue. Okay, now that we defined what an acid and a base is, we're moving on to the definition. Okay, so our three acid-base definitions. The first one is the Arrhenius, which is the traditional definition. It just says that the acids produce hydrogen ions while the bases produce hydroxide ions. The next definition is the Bronsted-Lowry definition. This says that acids are the proton donors while the base are the proton acceptors. Remember that they don't actually donate or accept protons. What they're donating are hydrogens. So just keep that in mind, so do not get it confused or anything. And here's an example of what a Bronsted-Lowry definition would be. You see, the NH3 would be the base because it is accepting a hydrogen right here. And the H2O would be an acid because it is donating a hydrogen to then have a hydroxide. Moving on to the last definition, it is the Lewis definition. This is the broadest definition of the acid bases that you will ever find. This definition says that an acid is positively charged and can accept one electron pair, while bases donate an electron pair. So it doesn't really say much either. So this has been all for today, everybody. Hope you guys learned something.